In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete a WhatsApp group, okay? Make sure you follow every step so you don't make any mistake along the way. As usual, if you found value in this video, you will remember to like it. Let's get started. We don't waste much time in this channel. Okay, let's open the WhatsApp app. Then select the group that you want to delete. I want to delete this very group here. Now after doing that, now tap on the name of the group at the top. Then scroll down. Then view the members that are in the group. I only have one member here, so the first thing that I do is to remove him from the group, sorry. Now you will do this until you remove all the members in your group. After removing everybody, now you want to click on exit group, then exit group, just doing that. After doing that, you will see the button for delete group. Now WhatsApp will activate that button for delete group. Now you just tap on delete group. Make sure you follow every step here. Then click delete group. By doing this, you'll be able to delete a WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. If you found value in the video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.